Welcome to the Utah Airguns workshop. I'm Travis Patton, and today I'm going to show you how to load the magazine for your FX Crown. First thing you'll want to do is take this crescent lever and turn it 2 clicks, 180 degrees, and then you can remove the top cap. So 2 clicks, remove the top cap, and now you have to wind up that inner carriage. That's what's going to index the pellet every time you shoot. So wind that up, put your finger under that hole, and that keeps your first pellet from going through. Alright, so I've got my finger there. When I drop the pellet in, now it holds that carriage in place, and I can let go and I can drop the pellets in the rest of the way. Now you don't have to be too careful about this because the pellets kind of want to fall in nose first anyhow, so you can do it fairly quickly. Now if I do get one in upside down, then I can just cover that up, tilt it, and flip that pellet around. With the magazine completely loaded up, I put my cover plate back on, and I've got this O-ring on the outside. That lines up like that. 2 clicks again, and I'm ready to insert it into the gun. If you don't put this all the way back, 180 degrees, then it's not going to insert all the way into your gun. To load the magazine into the gun, I pull the bolt back and it's going to catch. Now it's not under any tension at all. You can see there's a groove in the magazine here. That is going to slide in and catch against that brass port there. So slide that in, you fill it in firmly. Now I push this forward and the gun's loaded. If you forget that the gun's loaded and you go to cock it again, now if I push that forward, I'm going to double load a pellet. So at this point, I want to remove the magazine. Now I can take my shot and then insert the magazine. And that is how you load the magazine in an FX Crown. Stay tuned for more videos. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe below.